Hi, I'm Dave.
Hi, I'm Jan.
And I purchased this house 6 years ago, and then Jan and I got underway with our relationship, and we felt that it was prime opportunity to renovate the property here in Unley, and we started out on the project there, and we wanted to do something that was really a joint project. And Jan's niece, Jade, is an interior architect and works with Studio J, and we engaged Studio J to help us with the design. And Studio J introduced us to Finch Constructions.
Our experience with Finch was actually fantastic. We were impressed from day one. And the day they booked an appointment and brought all their trades in, they were all here at 9 a.m. on a Friday morning. The electrician, the plumber, the demolisher, the tiler, you name it, they all came at once, and we were pretty impressed with that. So from there on, it was faultless. Tom, the project manager, was fantastic to deal with. There was lots of great communication, so we were pretty impressed.
One of the things that impressed me about Finch was the quality of their trades work. Just the attention to detail through the project, and as you walk around now, you can just get a sense of the quality and the attention to detail of the trades that are engaged by Finch.
Our favourite part of the renovation, there are a few favourite parts, so we can't just say one in particular, but we do love the timber panelling. We love the kitchen. It really works well. It's great to cook in. You can have more than one person in the kitchen and not get in each other's way. It's easy to wipe down. We also love our master bedroom and ensuite, and we have a name for our ensuite. We call it Sequoia. We stayed at Sequoia in Mount Lofty probably a couple of years ago when it just opened, and so we were inspired by that design, and we've taken some of those ideas and put them into ours, so that's what we call our bathroom, Sequoia. Everybody's reaction as soon as they walk in, they go, wow. They love it. I think it has changed a lot from the original
design.
Yeah, from the original design, it's changed quite a bit. So, people walk in the front door and come into the dining, kitchen, living area, and they are taken back by the timber panelling's quite a feature.
We've already recommended Finch Constructions for other projects. So people are very curious about how your project went and who you use. So it's a great conversation starter, and probably 3 or 4 times already we've recommended Finch for other projects.